Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to go over why your reselling business is going to succeed. Now, why I'm going over this is because there are a lot of negative things that are just being talked about around social media, on different YouTube channels, in just regular media. And it's a lot of stuff that just clouds your space and gets you out of the groove of growing your reselling business. So today I'm just going to highlight why your reselling business is going to grow. And these are going to just be some ideas that I jotted down in my notebook here. And it's just stuff that you need to think about when you're running your business. Do you know how to do these? Are you doing these things? If you are, you're going to succeed. So I'm just going to go through these pretty quickly because you don't have a lot of time. I don't have a lot of time. We both want to grow our businesses. So I'm going to just cut to the gist of it. First reason why your business is going to succeed is because you are listing items daily. If you're constantly putting items within your store, whether it's eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, wherever you are choosing to resell, if you're constantly listing, you're going to have better chances of getting those sales. The next one is you are setting business goals for yourself, whether it's short-term or long-term, what's profitability or what you need to list every day. You are constantly setting some type of bar for you to achieve. The next thing a successful reseller is doing is understanding the market, whether it's their local buying market or their selling market, whatever platform that they're selling on. A successful reseller knows what they're able to get and what advantages that they have and which platform is the right one for them to sell it on. If you're successful, you're going to have set sourcing schedules and you're also going to have a sourcing route. If you're a thrift store sourcer, the best way to get product is to know where to go and when you should be there. If you do not know the set times that places are rolling out, you are missing the best product because people like me are there getting it before you. A successful reseller is pricing their products appropriately to the market. Now, during Q4, you're able to jack your price up and probably get a premium price for about 3 to 4 months. But now, at this time of year, especially with a recession starting, you need to be dropping your prices and probably be more median or first out when it comes to a lot of your items. Another tip for a successful reseller is you know how to make the proper listing. You know how to take your pictures, you know what keywords to use, you know how to price it. All those type of things are going to be put into making a successful listing. To be successful, you also need to be shipping on time. If you are not meeting your service metrics for when you're supposed to be shipping, platforms are going to be booting you as soon as they can. You also need to be great at customer service, whether it's responding on time or just responding at all. If you are not responding to your clients, you're not going to be getting those extra sales. Even if it is probably like the dumbest question and it's probably sitting in the listing, you need to just copy and paste where it is in your listing and send it to them because those are sales that you're missing out of. And also, if you are not responding on time, that is going to hurt you when it comes to platforms like eBay. You also need to take care of your customer. If something goes wrong with your item, and even if you think it's not your fault, don't get mad at the customer, don't bitch them out. Take care of it. Issues on items are so infrequent that they shouldn't ruin your day and they shouldn't ruin your client's day as well. So if something happens, just say, hey, you can return it and I'll take care of you. You also need to understand basic business metrics, whether it's sell-through rate, profitability, your conversion rate, all those type of things you need to understand to help maximize your sales within your business. You also need to remember that today's sales do not define tomorrow. So whether how good or how bad today is, tomorrow is a new day and new customers are looking at your items. So if you had a real bad sales day, just keep plugging along, keep getting those items listed because tomorrow is a new day. If you had a great day, don't rest on your laurels, keep on chugging along because tomorrow you want to replicate that day as well. You also want to make sure you have a strong inventory system. If you do not have just a basic inventory system, just a basic bin system, you're going to be struggling daily when it comes to shipping. And to be piggybacking on inventory, you need to be constantly reinvesting in new inventory in your business. If you are not reinvesting a lot of your profits back into new inventory, your business is not going to grow. When I first started my business, I didn't take one penny out for the first 6 months of starting that business. Another thing a successful reseller does is they don't focus on the shortcomings of their current platform, because every platform has issues. There's always something that is going wrong or is perceived to be going wrong. And if you constantly focus on that, that's wasted time that you could be putting into your business. What you should be doing is focusing on where you could take advantage of the platform, where are things that you could game for yourself and actually generate more sales than maybe other resellers that aren't focusing on that part of the platform. And lastly, you need to be ignoring the drama, because there is a lot of drama that goes on, especially if you watch a lot of YouTube, if you go on a lot of Instagram. There's a lot of reselling drama out there. Just ignore that. Save the drama for their mamas and just build your business. So there you go. Those are some tips for why you're going to be successful in growing your reselling business. If you do the majority of those, actually, if you do all of those, I guarantee you are going to have a strong business. It's just focusing on what you need to get done. If you do the basics, and really all these things are basics, you're going to be super successful. So thank you guys for joining me in today's video. Make sure you hit the thumbs up on the way out. Hit the subscribe if you're new to my channel. Check out one of the 2 videos over here. And as always, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.